What's up everybody, this is Danny and today I'm at Apple Park. I got to see a bunch of familiar faces and be in Steve Jobs Theater for the full launch. There were a ton of updates, the Apple Watch Ultra 2, the Apple Watch Series 9, and a big focus on sustainability. But if you're anything like me, then you want to know what's going on with the new iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. I got some hands-on time with them, so here's what's new and what I think about them. First, let's start with the build quality. This year it has a titanium finish with softer, slightly rounded edges, and it feels really good. It's noticeably lighter too, which can go either way. Some may love it and some may not. I thought it was nice. There are 4 colors available for the Pro models, but I really love the natural titanium. It blends so well with the side rails. I'm definitely going for this one. The display sizes are the same, and of course, Dynamic Island. And this year, the only models getting the new A17 Pro chip are the Pro models with a 6-core Pro Class GPU. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus get the Pro chips from last year. The big move is USB-C across all iPhone 15 models, but it's not created equal. The USB 3 speeds are limited to only the Pro models, so if you transfer a lot of photos and files, you may want to keep that in mind. The action button is also new. This is where the mute switch used to be. What's great is this is customizable. You go in the settings and you get a choice of flashlight, camera, mute switch, focus modes, voice memo, magnifier, and Siri shortcuts, so that is cool. What's great is with the camera shortcut, you can choose either photo, selfie video, portrait, or portrait selfie, so that's awesome. So let me know if you're excited about the action button and if you think this is useful. To me, the biggest upgrade here is the camera. Same triple camera array, but this year you get upgraded sensors, a bigger 48 megapixel main sensor, and that 5x zoom that we were all looking forward to, but this is exclusive to the Pro Max. So if you want that zoom, you'll be forced to go to the Pro Max. This will not be on the Pro. Here's a quick demo from the hands-on area. The 5x looks really good. I can't wait to test this out. And the maximum digital zoom now gets bumped up to 25x. So here's a quick picture of Rich that is far away, and it actually looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. What I'm really excited to test though is the 5x for video. The iPhone's video is still unmatched, so this focal length is gonna be fun to use. For the pros, there's a few new features. I love hitting the main lens button and you get a cycle of different focal lengths from 24 millimeters, 28 millimeters, and 35 millimeters. And you can also choose which one this defaults to in the camera settings, which I think is a nice touch. And in video now you can shoot ProRes RAW in HDR, SDR, and now log, which I cannot wait to test out. I was absolutely not expecting this. Also, portrait mode gets a few new tricks. You can now make a photo that wasn't taken in portrait mode into a portrait mode picture, which is really cool. Michael Josh took a picture of me and demoed it right there, and it worked really well. And you can also change the focus point after the fact, which makes the portrait mode experience more versatile. So when I get my phones, you will definitely see a ton of camera comparisons, so make sure you subscribe for that. The new Apple Watch Ultra 2, I can't believe that there's a 3000 nit display on it. That is absolutely insane. The double tap gesture on the new Series 9 Apple Watches and the Ultra 2 is really cool. It's not just for us to enjoy, but what an amazing accessibility tool. And if you're interested in the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, the same screen sizes, you do get Dynamic Island across the iPhone 15 models, which is great. Besides the more colorful palette, which I really like because I love the fun colors, the phone feels very much the same as the 14 series. You do get USB-C without the USB 3 speeds, but at least it's there. And you get a 48 megapixel camera now, which is powered by last year's Pro processors, which should be still very capable. But this year, I think they made things very clear. The iPhone 15 is the entry level, the iPhone 15 Pro is the flagship, but if you want the best of the best with the bigger zoom, you gotta go Pro Max, which is the one that I'm going to buy. So let me know what you think about these phones in the comment section below. Pre-orders go live this Friday, and it starts at $999 for the 15 Pro with 128 gigabytes of storage, and it starts at $1199 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max with 256 gigabytes of storage, but you can bump them up all the way to 1 terabyte if you got that dough. For now, I'm signing out from Apple Park. I cannot wait to get these phones. There's so much more coming, so I will see you guys in the next one.